Working in venture capital, I was constantly exposed to new technologies and new ways of thinking. That's one of the upsides to working in VC is you sort of stay on that pulse. So I am accustomed to trying new things in that regard. So when JumpCloud came along, or I found out about JumpCloud, I should say, I was about halfway through a cloud migration strategy. And one of the pieces that was still kind of loose in my plan was directory service. And what is that and where do I put it? And is it really still Microsoft Active Directory? Which didn't make sense to me because half of my fleet at that point was OS X. I was actively looking for a new directory service, and it needed to be cloud because I was no longer going to build out an on-prem data center, and I was no longer going to host servers in a data center anywhere. I really believed in SaaS and cloud. So that was my mission, is to find that, and I found JumpCloud. We invested in a company called OneLogin while I was at Scale, and they had one component for sign-on, but they didn't have Linux and they didn't have Windows yet. So when I really looked at the landscape, Microsoft was a partial solution, OneLogin was a partial solution, Okta didn't offer anything. Really, it was only JumpCloud in this sea of partial directories that allowed me to actually impact OS X, Linux, and Windows. So it solved all those needs.